I said sorry for being late because of network issue.
Oh, good. Well, thank you for apologizing. I appreciate that. So we have 15 minutes. So tell me a bit about yourself. What's your name? Where are you from? And why are you learning English?
Okay, okay. My name is Imrojit Bishwas and I am from India. And actually, I love learning English since my childhood. And because English is one of the finest language, I believe that. And English is very common and international language. So that's why I was uh, I was uh, I was greedy to learn this language.
Oh,
And
excellent.
now I have been using Cambly over 1 year, and yeah, Cambly really helps me to develop my spoken English skill and also confidence. So yes, and I am pursuing engineering in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I have 1 more year left for completing graduation.
Wow, one more year. Wow. Well, it's a pleasure to meet you, and it's great to hear that. And I agree. I think English is a great language to learn, and it will give you many possibilities when you're able
Yes,
to fluently speak
a
it
lot of
from work
opportunities.
to travel.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
Oh, very true. Very, very true. So,
So
tell
where are
me,
you from?
where? Oh, where am
Where
I
are you?
from? Yes, I'm Josh. I'm from England, London, so capital of the UK. So, yeah, we're relaxing right now. Lots of the rules they're going away. Very
Yes,
soon we'll be back to normal, so we're quite happy. What about you and where you live? How's it over there?
yes. I live in Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, and I am from eastern part of India. And
Mm,
what about there? What is the situation there about Corona?
in England?
Yes, in England right now.
Yeah, so in England, what's happening for over 1 year, we had lockdown, which was very strict actually. There
Oh,
was nothing happening. It was horrible. But now, past few weeks, everything is opening up. Gyms, a restaurant, we
oh,
can do a lot of things now. So hopefully by in a few months, everything will be back to normal.
okay.
So we're in a good position. But I know in countries, yeah, like India, like you say, we heard is very bad. It's very
Yes.
difficult. So no, we hope those countries
I think
are
there
able to
will
get
be
better.
another lockdown or curfew again, and some states has already started lockdown and also curfew.
It's difficult, right? Because lockdown is not the ideal solution. It's not a solution because people can't all work from home, right?
Yes, yes, absolutely. And how long have you been teaching English on Cambly?
On Cambly, haven't been teaching English so long. 6 months, six
Oh,
months now.
okay.
So not too long, not too long, but it's a nice experience meeting many different people, many different students, and I graduated last year, so I think I have lots of knowledge to share and just
Oh,
talk generally. I like helping people out.
so great. And where are you from? In London, in England,
Exactly.
right? And I want to know from you that what is the culture there in your city?
Mhm. Good question. Good question. The culture, I think, is a very mixed culture
Oh,
because London is a very multicultural city. Really, we have people, you walk down the street and you see every kind of person, every color skin, tall, slim, fat, small, young, old. Everyone is here. Everyone is here. So it's very diverse. People are from everywhere. Ultimately, in London, people, I think it's quite a hard working culture because it is very expensive. It's expensive city. So people need to work hard to make money. So people like to be busy. They're always
oh,
going somewhere. It comes with all the good
yeah.
things about a big city, very well connected, also all the bad things. So it's expensive and stuff like this. But overall, I'd say the culture is people are quite hard working and
Yes.
very tolerant. They are very accepting people. They will never judge you from where you're from, they will never treat you differently. And I think that's great. I think that's quite important.
Exactly. And yeah, in your city, for suppose I visit there, then I want to hire a house for staying there for a month. Then what should I pay? What is the rent of
Mm. Do you want a house or a flat? Apartment? What would you get?
apartment? Apartment.
Apartment. Yeah, apartment is, I think apartment is something that you'd need kind of something quite small, I think. Maybe 1,000, 1,000, 2,000. And it can be quite expensive. It can be quite expensive, actually.